Hey guys, today I am doing a video for Dimitri G. I don't know if I said that right. Okay, they asked for videos on how to add liquidity for Eureka with Eureka Matic on Uniswap, and we are also on Sushi Swap. So if you're in the Telegram group, you'll see the links here. And we're actually building a Discord group too, so we'll be a bit more organized with all this. So you'll have the links in there. I'm working on that. So if you want to add liquidity in Sushi Swap on the Polygon blockchain with Eureka and Matic, this is how you do it. You can search Sushi on Google, or you can click that link in the Telegram group. It'll take you right there. There it is. Wrap, Matic, and ERK. So if you want to go up to liquidity, if you haven't done this yet, pools, search for token or pair, just search ERK, click on that. There it is, ERK, Wrap, Matic. Remove liquidity, add liquidity. You can just hit add liquidity, go in, and Matic will come up. And just start putting in how many Matic you want to add. That's like, at the current price, that's like $6. So that would be 10 Matic would be $6.47. And then you would need to add 14,000 Eureka. Confirm deposit. Confirm deposit. Then your MetaMask is going to come up. And it's going to ask you if you want to confirm this transaction. And I believe in this wallet I don't have 10 Matic, so yeah. Okay, so anyway, if you want to do that, then you just hit confirm. If you don't want to do it, you hit reject, and that will put you into the liquidity pool on sushiswap.com. Then to go see your pools, you would go up to liquidity, portfolio, liquidity, and it would show you what you have in there already. And that'll come up under your assets. So there you go, guys. You want to add some liquidity, get this ball rolling a bit. We're on Sushi Swap. We're also on Uniswap. I just did a video for that, ERK Matic. The more of these swap sites we're listed on different blockchains and different networks, different blockchains and different swap sites, the more arbitrage opportunities you'll have, because you'll be able to see a price on one that's lower than the price on another, and you can go ahead and take advantage of that through arbitrage. Okay guys, that's it for me. That's how you do it. Sushi Swap, add liquidity, ERK Matic. Again, just go over to pools, go up to search ERK, and ERK Matic will come up. Click on it, remove liquidity, add liquidity, or trade. Volume, total lock volume, you can look at all that. There's not much there yet, but you know, we're just getting started, guys. So more people that get involved, the more liquidity we're going to build, the more arbitrage opportunities will come. Let's get the party started, guys. Let's go. Thanks for watching.